Our channel. Today we're going to learn how to make your customer feel special by giving them rewards. It's like giving them a high five for being awesome. Let's jump right in. Okay, so first things first, why do rewards matter? Well, think about it like this. When you reward someone for doing something good, they feel happy and appreciated. And happy customers are more likely to coming back for more. Before diving in, let's ensure you're on the right plan. Confirm you're subscribed to our Platinum Plan or higher by navigating to the right upper corner. Click the 3 lines, go to Service Plans in the navigation bar. Now, let's talk about how actually set up these cool rewards. We're going to break it down into 5 easy steps. Think about what you want to give your customers. It could be points they can use to get discounts or maybe a special gift on their birthday. Decide how much your reward is worth. Is it a lot of points for big things or just a few points for small stuff? You get to decide. This part is the fun part. Choose a cute little picture to represent your rewards. It's like picking out emojis for your text. Flip the switch to turn the reward on. That means it's ready to go and your customers can start earning. Last but not least, always remember to save your changes. You don't want to lose all your hard work, right? Now, let's talk about all the cool ways you can reward your customers. Place an order. Yes, just by buying stuff from you, your customers can earn rewards. It's like getting a bonus for shopping. Logging in with social media. Make it easy for your customers to sign in using their Facebook, Gmail, or Instagram accounts. And as a bonus, they'll get even more rewards. Completing their profile. Encourage your customers to fill out their profiles with information like their birthdays. It helps you to get them know better and they get rewarded for it. Birthday gifts. Who doesn't love getting presents on their birthdays? Give your customers a little something extra to celebrate their special day. Commenting on Instagram. Engage with your customers on social media by rewarding them for leaving comments on your post. It's a win-win. And there you have it. Rewarding your customers is a fun and easy way to show them how much you appreciate them. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch your customer loyalty soar.